Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Matt, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of a Loupedeck. The reason that I got the Loupedeck is because I travel all the time and I love to take pictures. The thing is with traveling all the time and taking these pictures, at least with me, is I don't have much time to do any post-processing work. So I'm hoping that this tool will help me do my post-processing faster, easier, and then each trip I'll be able to create my workflow, because I really don't necessarily have a strong workflow. I pick like 1 or 2 photos, I edit them, and then I print them out and hang them up on my wall, or I send them to my friends or my family. But now I want to actually go through my gigs and gigs of pictures and pick out the best ones and edit them a little better than what I've been doing in the past. And I'm going to use this to help build a workflow and to edit my thousands of photos easily. So we'll see. As you saw, it's a pretty simple package. I can open it up and it emboss lettering. That sounds pretty cool. Loupedeck, the photo editing console. Creative, fast, ergonomic, intuitive, complete console at your fingertips. Find your editing flow. So that's the exact reason that that I purchased this item. Let's check it out. Maybe there's another way to get it out, but I'm going to do this. Oh, okay. So that's the exterior box. I guess I can throw that away. This box seems pretty cool. So as you can see here, I mean, depending on what language you want to use, but it's good for Adobe Lightroom 7.4 or later, I guess, or newer. It's good for Windows and Mac, and it has a USB 2.0 connection. So let's open this up. So there's more of these. All right. So this is the Loupedeck. It's a nice nicely packaged. Let's take this out of here. Oh, it comes. Alright, so this is the cord. Look at that. That's pretty small. That's going to be nice sitting next to the keyboard. Let's see what it says here. Little papers. Alright. Let's see what this does. Okay, so there, unboxing complete. But there's going to be some key functions on here that I can't wait to try and use. So as you can see this is the second version of the Loupedeck. The first one didn't have the letters on here. I believe it had dots for different functions. But you can see in each of the knobs, they have different functions to it. I'm gonna have to test this out and let you know how it goes. So if you can feel this, you can feel that it's got some weight to it. So it's going to sit down nicely on your desk. It has some nice play in the buttons. I think it's going to be fairly easy to help build my workflow. Hey, so that was an unboxing for the Loupedeck. Down in the description below, there's a link that says playlist. If you click on that, It'll take you through a ton of videos and review videos and comparison videos of why I chose this tool over other tools. And it'll give you a glimpse of some of the professional photographers that has actually used this hands-on. In the next 3 to 4 weeks, I'm going to be using this, creating my workflow, and seeing if it's a tool that I'm going to use and that's going to help me with my post-processing. So in 3 to 4 weeks, I'm going to put together a review video, let you know from an amateur's perspective of how this is useful or how it may not be. But again, thank you for watching the video, and take it easy.